Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can make 1000 naira and above if you're in Nigeria, and if you're outside Nigeria, you will also be making money in dollars here, because this site, it is worldwide. It is available worldwide, so it is not limited to Nigerians alone. You can make money in three ways on this site. You can make money by posting your talents, working as an influencer, or doing micro jobs online, that is simple tasks online and getting paid in dollars. You are getting paid in dollars here. And the reason why I like this site is you don't need to have a paper account before you can withdraw from this account. You are withdrawing into your crypto wallet. So if you don't have one, I will show you how you can get it. So the first one is posting your talent online. So if you have a skill or you have a service to render, you can just come to this site and post your gig. If you are an article writer, if you are a content writer, if you are a graphics designer, you can just come here and post it. You can see here I will write good articles for your website, blog or ebook. I will make a brand video editing. You can see that people are posting videos. You can see from Nigeria people are here and they are ready to give in their best to work online. Most guys here, they are Nigeria. The one I'm seeing here now, they are Nigeria. You can see Nigerian. You can see that the logo here is standing for Nigeria. So like, let us go back. If you want to work as an influencer too, like we have companies that come here, and businesses that come here, they're looking for influencers to post their business on social media platforms, and to grow their sales and their business. So what we want to be focusing here today is how to do micro jobs, like simple tasks that you can do and you get paid in dollars. You can see here custom jobs like sign up, Instagram follow, TikTok follow, downloading of app, following on Twitter, subscribing to YouTube channel, download and installing apps. You can do lots more here and you'll be getting paid. You can see this is 0.19 cents. It's very close to $1, and $1 in Nigeria now is around 750 or 746 as at the time I'm making this video. So let us go back. I've already opened a new account on this site already. If you want to have an account with this site, all you have to do is to click on the link below and then click and then register. So after registering, then you will have to go back to your email address, your inbox, then check the link job boy we sent to you, and then click on it, then to direct you back to this your Chrome browser. So let me enter my account that I've already created with them. So after logging in, then you will see how the site looks like. So I've successfully logging into my account now. You can see the micro jobs that are available. Easy tax watch videos on that will be on YouTube, website visits, easy surveys, best payout, and every can you see it like 30 cents, like 0.1 $11, and so on. See, download an ebook, fast pay, $0.11. Like, you are going to make money from this site. So if you want to do the tax, just click on it, then look at the requirements to get your money. So you have to watch the video. You can see the requirements here. You have to go through the link, watch the video, then you have to just follow the requirements here. Then after that, you have to submit your proof to the job owner here, so they are going to verify it if you have done it or not. So after you've already finished doing all these tasks, the minimum amount of money you can withdraw here is $6. So if you want to withdraw money, just click on your profile here, and mind you, after registering as a new user, then you've already confirmed the link sent to your Gmail address. When you log in into your account, the first thing to do is to go to account settings. Then go to your account settings, add your phone number, add your address and everything. When everything is set, then you start doing these tasks and start making money. So if you want to make money, you click on withdraw money. Then you can see here that only your winnings can be withdrawn on this page. Deposits cannot be withdrawn. Those people that are depositing, those people that want to give out jobs to people, like those people that are looking for influencers, and that are looking for those that want them to write blog or make a design for them. So they will have to deposit into the site to pay job seekers on this site. So we are not concerned with the deposit part. All we want to get is the withdrawal aspect, because we are working and then we need to withdraw on this site. So the minimum withdrawal amount is $6. So when you get $6 or above, you can then withdraw from here. Then you can see that you cannot withdraw with paper here. You are withdrawing with Litecoin wallet address. If you don't have one, I will show you how to get it. So after doing that, after entering your wallet address here, then click on withdraw money. Then you will get your money before or within 24 hours. So like all the money you'll be withdrawing here, they are going to charge you 10% of your money, so for processing fee. So I'm going to show you how you can get your Litecoin in your crypto wallet, and then I will show you how you can go about it. So if you don't have a crypto wallet, make sure you register on Binance or Trust or any crypto wallet so you can register for it. I'm going to drop my Binance link in the description below with the link of this video for you to link to the site for you to register. So I'm going to drop it in the description below for you to get your Litecoin wallet address. So this is my Binance account, and if you want to get your Litecoin wallet address, just click on wallet, then go to sports, and then click on the search bar, then click on LTC. Sorry. Then search for LTC like Litecoin. You surely see, have you seen it? So you just click on it, then click on deposit crypto, because we want to bring in crypto into this place. So you click on your network, which is Litecoin. Then you will see your Litecoin wallet address. This is your Litecoin wallet address. Just copy it and then go back to the site and paste it there. You will get your money ASAP. So thanks for watching to the end of the video. I will see you in my next video. Thanks.